those are the stuff that we got. And this one is 8 or 9. Look, but I think it will last. So. Welcome! Andam na ba ka? And we are home. Good morning, beautiful people. Today is the most beautiful day of the universe. Well, I just finished watching the 69th Miss Universe competition, and unfortunately, Philippines didn't make it to top 10. But it's okay. I think she really did her best. Anyway, today's video is going to be, we are going to take Papa to the mall. I think this is going to be his first time to be in SM or to be in a mall for such a long time. Me and Papa are gonna drive to the city, and we are going to pick up my sister because she gets off work at 1 p.m. I think it's already 12 p.m. right now, and we're also gonna have lunch and do some groceries, and maybe we're gonna get Papa some shoes or whatever. I'm trying to lower my voice because he's right there. Anyway, if you guys are interested, then please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos. Without further ado, let's go! We are stopping over at Grandma's house because Papa wants to change his hat because his current hat is not able to hold the face shield, and we need to have face shield inside the mall. So I'm just waiting for him here. Okay, there he is. He is get up and ready to go to the city. Okay, ready? Andam na ba ka? Okay, here. Face mask. Sulob. Kailangan tayo magsulob og face mask man. About to enter the city, but my sister is not yet finished from work. It's only 12:30. We left the house around 12:10, so it took me 20 minutes. That is such a huge progress. But that's because it's Monday today and the road is not so busy, which is I super love. We are just gonna chill here for a bit. We are literally in the side of the road, which is fine. We are unhazard, so that's okay. Okay, Laka? Thank you. We're going to SM Cebu. Papa is there. Hi. Here in Kuya J right now. This is a Filipino restaurant. This is how the menu looks. Ta-da! I am starving. There's not a lot of people here. There you go. This is for me. Right, our food has arrived, guys. We have crispy pata. This is chicken sisig, and of course, sutanghon, and of course, rice. Right, my sister is there eating. Papa as well. So crispy. here in Payless. Pay more, save less. They are on sale. And Papa, we are gonna get him some shoes. He is gonna try this on because he doesn't know what's his shoe size. And this one is 8 or 9. I like this one actually. It's gray. We are in the kids' shoes now. We're gonna look something for Scarlett. They have really cute shoes here for the kids as well. And really affordable. Naman pa. That's so big. My sister, we are getting her some shoes as well. This one is from Champion. It's 1320 and it's down to 600 plus because it's like 50% off. Nice? Hey, bye Riha. Okay, we're gonna get that as well. We got 4 shoes. My sister, Scarlett, Papa, and Scarlett. We are in the hardware section right now. We're getting some electric fan because summer is going crazy. It's super hot already during the day. So we're getting electric fan. It's buy one take one for 2,000 peso. That is such a good steal. So we're trying to test it out here. Oh. We're getting spoon and fork because all of them have lost. I don't know where they are. Look at this, it's so cute. I love this, but it's so pricey. It's like 500 peso.
Both?
Yeah. 300, 200. Right now we are here in a grocery section because we need to do some groceries. Meatloaf, a gallon of vinegar. This? Spicy. We are done in SM Cebu. Those are the stuff that we got. We are heading to the car now. The parking is quite busy this time. Fudge that! It's got no brake. Come on, we gotta hurry up.
May galing nagsuot sa iyang brake. Opa, iya po to. Tayan man bangi.
Look at guys, we have mommy in front. She was bringing a lot of eggs and she was like trying to beep us because she wants to put all the eggs here in the car. Because look at this road. This road is freaking crazy. This will be only fixed once election will be here. Otherwise, it will stay like this. Okay. Oh my gosh. This road is cray cray. And we are home. Slowly. We have finally arrived home. I'm going to show you guys what are the stuff that we have. Most of it are groceries and hardware, home stuff. This is my dad's shoes. So we got his shoes. This is actually looks nice. So that's how it looks. It took us a while to know like what's his shoe size. And he is 7. Size 7. What the fudge? Very small. And then, aside from this one, we have another bag over here. This one is our leftover from Kuya Jay. Of course, we gotta bring it. And then we have here another bag. This is from Payless again. So first is my sister. So we got her shoes because she wants to go Zumba and running with mom. Okay, this is from Champion and this is 50%, right? Yeah, and this is now 600 peso, like 12 US dollars. So that's nice. So we got that, and then we got one for Scarlett as well. So this is what we got for Scarlett. It's so cute. Ta-da! I think this is 10 US. That's right. And then because we purchased like 3 shoes from there, they have given us free shoes for a kid. So good thing we have Scarlett. So Scarlett has 2 shoes today. Oh my gosh. But I think she's not looking for shoes. She wants some toys like a clay, but we were not able to get it because we don't have time anymore. We were bringing all these stuff. So this is the free shoes from Payless, so that's really good. I think this one is good for school. Yeah. Next is we got electric fan. I'm not gonna unbox this one because we need to assemble this still. So this one is from Hanabishi. It's 2. We're only supposed to get 1, but since they were on buy one take one, this big box has a lot of stuff in here. This is like home essentials that I really need. First, we have this bread knife. This is 4 sets. Some spoon because we ran out of spoon already. I got 2 sets. This is 8 pieces for both. Here's some mugs. It's all the same design and color, but I'm gonna show you one. How does it look?
4.
Ta-da! Did I get 4? So I think this is buy one, take one as well. So for 99 pesos. So the reason why I need to get mugs because I only have 2 mugs here, and then they are using the cup for like drinking water, which is not good because it will stain the cup. So we need to use this like a proper mug. That's why I got 1, 2, 3. I don't know where did they put the other stuff, but okay, we have here 4, of course. So I got 2 sets as well. This is the liquid Zosa. This will be used for the sink. So our sink clogged, unfortunately. So we need this one to fix it. So there you go. We got that. And I have this spoon and fork holder. This is quite expensive. This is 300 pesos, guys, for one. Look, but I think it will last, so that's okay. So I have these organizers because if you guys can remember, I was trying to get the negative organizers, which is made of bamboo, but it actually doesn't work because once it gets wet, then it gets broken and all. So I just got plastic, and look how pretty it is. And this one's fairly cheap. This is $1. Yes, from SM, guys. Look at that. I love
50?
it. Yeah, 50 pesos. It's nice, right? Next, I got here some rug. Here a mega box so I could put my biscuits and my chocolates, and so that Scarlett wouldn't take them all. Scarlett's always getting my my chocolates, you know. I have here another organizer. It looks funny, right? Well, the reason I got this because I was really thinking of getting something like this so I could put the onion, the garlic, the tomatoes, whatsoever. So in this case, it got 6 slots, so it's good. It will be organized. So we're gonna put this in the countertop. These small bowls, we're gonna use this for the sauce. I got 3. It's exactly the same design as the plates that I got before. And then I got this, what is this? Scotch Brite, the stainless steel, because my pots are so black already. We need this one. And then we have here some bowls as well for the soup. I got 4 pieces. A really big bowl as well. This is for like soup or rice. Here a mixing bowl. Finally, I have been wanting to get this one so I could bake. And it's quite big. So if we want to mix something, then we mix it here. We have here an electric kettle. The reason why I got this, my sister, her electric kettle in her house broke already. So now we have here the grocery. The total of the grocery is 2,500 peso, or that's 50 US dollars. I'm gonna show you how much you can get for 50 US in the grocery store here in the Philippines. So it's composed of 2 small boxes. We're gonna start with 4 bathroom tissue. We have here a gallon of soy sauce. We have here a gallon of vinegar. We have some cheesecake, 1 pack. I have here rosemary. I've been wanting to get this one. Finally, I found it. And then I think this one's one of the most expensive one, 300 pesos, 6 US. The Tresemme, this is what I use for my hair. This is a hair conditioner. And then I have here 3 packs of facial tissue. And then we have baby wipes for Scarlett. We have here Head and Shoulders for shampoo. 1 kilo of drumstick chicken. And then I'm going to try this Bukidnon yogurt. On the next box, we have here, what is this? Super jumbo chicken hot dog. Yeah, chicken hot dog. And then we have here oil, magic syrup, sukang pinakurat. We have here poki. This is mine. And finally, I found the crushed chili. I have been wanting to look for this. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put this in my egg. What of you commented about it? And yes, finally I found it. There you go. And I have here some milk. I have here beef loaf. I think I got 5 beef loaf. Marshmallow for Scarlett. Banana cake, of course, family's favorite. We have another oil over here. I got peanut butter. Woo! Excited. Alright, next we have here Yakult. We have here rock salt. Another rock salt. We have here Spam. This is my favorite as well. Another Spam. And we have here condensed milk. We have beef loaf again. 1 pack of Chucky. This is for Scarlett. And of course, a pack of Gatorade Ion. This is my favorite, the white one. There you go. And then we have here fresh milk for me. And of course, Noljan's wanna be healthy. Almond milk. Ta-da! Alright, so that is it. That's 2,500 pesos. And by the way, for the stuff that we got from the hardware in SM, the big box, that was 6,000 pesos, right? Yeah, 6,000 pesos. And then for the Payless, this is 3,000 pesos. Okay, there you go.
What's that?
Open. The
other one.
Wow.
You say thank you, tita.
Wow.
Welcome.
Daw kabog imo patot sa. Ano mo kanay na may lap.
Wow.
Come
Come here, come here. Come here, walk.
Wow, thank you, tita.
Wow. Welcome.
Kita,
What are you doing there? What you doing? What's that?
Did you see it?
Yeah, she's
Did you
so
see it?
open. Open. No, underneath. Like this. Again. Come on. You cannot. Uh-oh. Come on.
Wow! Sana all.
Sana all, Chucky.
Yay!
Say thank you. Welcome. We're gonna open this banana cake now. You have customers, oy. Okay, come on, here, Do you want or not? So, come on.
Thank you very much.
So we just finished dinner and it has been a busy day today in the city. I had so much fun bringing my papa to the city for the very first time. And yeah, anyway, if you guys have any video suggestions, please comment them below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, subscribe to my channel. And as always, I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!